7 steps to more Instagram followers. Instagram followers, everything you need to know. Mistakes to avoid when looking. Number 1. Buying fake followers. How to avoid mistake number 1? Focus on organic growth and engagement. Number 2. Not engaging with your followers. How to avoid mistake number 2? Respond to comments and messages and interact with your audience. Number 3. Posting inconsistently. How to avoid mistake number 3? Create a content calendar and stick to a consistent posting schedule. Number 4. Ignoring analytics. How to avoid mistake number 4? Regularly track your analytics to understand what content is resonating with your audience. Number 5. Not utilising hashtags effectively. How to avoid mistake number 5? Research and use relevant hashtags to increase your reach. Here are the most asked questions about Instagram followers. Question 1. How can I increase my Instagram followers? Answer. Engage with your audience, post consistently, and use hashtags strategically. Question 2. Is it okay to buy Instagram followers? Well, the answer, it is not recommended as it can harm your credibility and engagement rates. Question 3. How do I know if my followers are real? The answer, look for engagement metrics such as likes, comments and shares to determine if your followers are genuine. Question 4. What is the best time to post on Instagram to gain followers? The answer, it varies depending on your audience, so use Instagram Insights to determine the optimal posting times. Question 5. How often should I post on Instagram to attract followers? The answer, consistency is key, so aim to post at least once a day or a few times a week. Question 6. Should I use Instagram stories to attract followers? The answer, yes. Instagram stories are a great way to engage with your audience and attract new followers. Question 7. Can I unfollow people to increase my follower count? The answer, while it may temporarily boost your numbers, it is not a sustainable or genuine strategy. Question 8. How can I collaborate with other Instagram accounts to gain followers? The answer, reach out to accounts with a similar audience and propose mutually beneficial collaborations. Question 9. Should I use Instagram ads to increase my follower count? The answer, Instagram ads can be effective in reaching a larger audience and attracting new followers. Question 10. How can I track my follower growth and engagement on Instagram? The answer, use Instagram Insights and third-party analytic tools to monitor your follower count and engagement metrics. Click now to get a tailor-made quotation today. Contact us at SMMzizou.com. Thank you for watching. Contact us at SMMzizou.com.